Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. This is Mr. Connolly. Today we're going to be looking at binary addition. Okay, our key objective for this session is to understand how computers use the binary number system, and our outcome is the technique for adding two binary numbers together. Okay, now before we can do any addition in binary, we first of all need to establish the rules. These are a logical set of rules that you will need to follow every time you do an addition sum. So what I suggest you do is on a piece of paper next to where you're going to do these calculations is write these rules down. So 1 plus 0 in binary equals 1. 0 plus 0 in binary equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 0. And carry 1 to the left. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1, but again we carry 1 over to the left column. Okay, so here we've got an example of a sum. So what you need to do first of all is, like any sum, if we were working out in decimal, we always start off on our rightmost column. So this time we go 1, add 1. Okay, we go up to our rules up here. Okay, it's not that one, it's not that one. Here we are, 1 add 1. So we have to write 0, okay, in our column, but then we need to carry 1 over to the left. So we're going to carry 1 over to this column. There it is. So now we're not doing 0 add 1, we're doing 1 add 1. Okay, so we go over to our rules again. Same as last time, 1 add 1 equals 0. And then we need to carry 1 over. But this time, because we're not doing 1 add 1, we're doing 1 add 1 add 1. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to write 1 in our column, then we need to carry 1 over. Now obviously this time we're just doing 1, and because there's nothing there, it's a 0. So if we look at our rules, 1 add 0 equals 1. Okay, so our answer is 1 0 1 add 1 1 1 equals 1 1 0 0. Okay, now if we work that out, we did 5, okay, add 7 equals 12. So if we convert it into decimal, we can see the math works. Okay, so that's the technique you need to use when you do binary addition. So what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to have a go at the following sums, and I'll leave these here to help you, the rules. Make sure you follow them. Okay, now just remember, you always write this 1 in your 1 column. Okay, and what I mean by that is if I just go back to, so you always write the rightmost 1 in your 1 column. Okay. Right. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video, okay, have a go at these questions, okay, remember to write them in the correct order, write them like this, make sure the rightmost 1 always goes in your 1 column, okay, and remember to work over to the left. Okay, so if you pause the video now, have a go, and then I'll go through the answers with you in a second. Okay, so the first one should have been 1 0 0. If you've got any zeros in front of it, remember that's fine. Okay, if you've got any additional 1s in front of it, it's wrong. So the next one should have been 1 1 0, 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0 1, 1 0 0 1 0 1, 1 0 0 1 0 1, 1 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, so give yourself a mark. If it's not made sense, what I suggest you do is to go back to the start of this video, watch where I talk you through this example, and have a go at it again. Now the trick to doing it is to make sure you do line your numbers up correctly, okay? And remember, if you've got any additional zeros in front of these answers, it's fine. If you've got any additional ones in front of these answers, you've made a mistake. Alright, see you next time, goodbye.